Yo, what's going on YouTube? Today we'll be doing a review of one of my favorite bowls. This is my favorite because it's simple yet very adjustable in how you handle it. Carb. Carb is your best friend when you're not sure how you want to hit a bowl. Because if you cover it up, you're going to get that drag you like. But if you want to have that wide open feeling like a steam roll, just let off and you can clear it. I've also liked to tweak it. When I first start off, I kind of let it breathe a little bit and don't completely cover it. And there's a lot of tuning you can do once you have a carb. Really wide head, but the bowl itself isn't that big. I think it's like a nickel, which I don't mind because I don't smoke a lot in bulk. It's usually like throughout the day medicating. About 3.5, 4 inches long. The tube's really wide. I really like that because it gives me good volume when I clear it. The hole isn't too wide. I really hate the wider holes because it definitely makes it a coffer piece. When it just hits you, I like to have that drag, just a slow, deep inhale. Again, you can clear it, so no stale smoke. They were smart enough to put a flat piece here, so it stays where you leave it. No rolling around like the Chillum likes to do. Fits really comfortable in your hand, no worries. They've definitely put the carb in just the right spot. I mean, you really can't complain about the way the piece was designed. And it's a home-blown piece from a local shop, and that's where you tend to see the most quality for your buck. Because anything local blown, they're not corporate. They make everything by hand. They're going to put quality into it. And they're usually not trying to make a living off of it. It's just a hobby they do, and they try to make a little bit of cash just keep supporting the hobby they enjoy. So anything local tend to be high quality stuff. I'm not going to say all the time because there's some people out there just getting started or just don't care, and you could get low quality. But if somebody says it's a local piece, don't let that be the thing that makes your decision. But this is heavy. I mean, you can tell the quality of glass just by the weight sometimes, just because this is a heavy piece. But yeah, that's the standard bong, your basic bowl, sorry about that. And you can pick them up just about anywhere. I got mine at a smoke shop. And a good thing about a smoke shop is the fact that you can hold everything you think about buying. They want to tell you to buy online is cheaper, and you will save some money. But your initial purchases, the first few where you're buying a Chillum, then you buy your bowl, then you buy a bong, I almost want to recommend up until the bong that you positively shop in a store, because you get a feel for everything and you find out what fits best for you. When it comes to bongs though, smoke shops tend to be crazy overpriced. I feel like bongs are just like their weight in gold. So a bong, I can almost have to say, find a friend who's got something you like. And then if he's not willing to sell his, you can find one like that online so you know what you want, because there's so many varieties of bongs out there. You can't just go down to the smoke shop and choose from the 3 they have. But yeah, y'all, I just want to give you your options, let you know there's some stuff out there and let you know what we've been talking out of. Take it easy and stay real, y'all.